Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics. You need Granny level 10 and the raid unlocked, so get that done first. Once done, pick 4 heroes that cover tank, healer, DPS, and a buffer. This balance prevents wipeouts. Make sure to stock 20 healing items and 5 revival potions because resource shortage kills runs. Begin the raid immediately after setup. Timing the first attack window matters, because early momentum gives you extra rewards and reduces failed attempts. You focus on the middle phase by clearing boss adds first. Those spawns scale damage and must be crowd controlled. At the same time, rotate your strongest cooldowns in 30 to 45 second windows to maintain steady burst without overlap. Make sure to manage aggro by swapping tanks or using taunt when your current tank falls below 35% HP, because resetting threat avoids sudden wipe mechanics. Keep communication or quick macros ready so each roll times interrupts and utility. You close the raid by saving one major cooldown for the boss's final 10%. That secures kill windows and absorbs enrage mechanics. Once the boss hits that phase, use every remaining consumable and maximize positioning to avoid cleave damage. If you keep failing, stop treating it like a pure DPS race. Shift to strict interrupts and repositioning, reduce rotation complexity, and practice one mechanic at a time until consistent. This troubleshooting tip fixes most repeated raid failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.